YouTube is an American online video sharing platform. In this video, we will show you how you can download your YouTube account data. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device by tapping on its icon. On the main screen of the app, tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see your YouTube profile. Tap on Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. This menu contains all the different settings and options related to the YouTube account and the app in general. Tap on your Data in YouTube button. A web page will open where you can view different options and download your YouTube account data. Scroll down this page and tap on this button. Here you can see the data format for the data you can download. Go back and tap on Next Step button. You can select how you want to get data from YouTube by tapping on this option. For this video, we will use the email address as an example, however, you can tap on the option you want to use. Next, select the frequency you want to use from here. To select the type of file, tap here. It is better to use the .zip file type as it is easier to use. You can also choose the size for the file by tapping on this option. If your internet connection is slow, then pick a small file size, otherwise pick a larger file size. After selecting a file size, tap on the Create Export button at the bottom. The process will start and your files will be prepared for your YouTube account. However, it may take a while, from a few hours to even days, depending on the size and amount of your YouTube account data. You can also request for multiple new data for other accounts by tapping on this button. To cancel the data export, tap on this option. You will get the account data on the email address you have linked with your YouTube account. This data can be very helpful if you want to grow your YouTube channel or just want to view your statistics.